Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best smart scales on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Reno Elis Solar Smart Body Scale. The Reno Elis scale stands out for its solar charging panel, offering convenient energy harvesting from both sunlight and electric light sources. This feature makes it suitable for users who require the scale for specific training periods and then store it for a while. The scale offers an impressive range of measurements, including weight, BMI, body fat, fat-free body weight, subcutaneous fat, visceral fat, body water, skeletal muscle, muscle mass, bone mass, protein, BMR, and metabolic age, providing a comprehensive health assessment. On the downside, the app experience is relatively simplified, offering trend data for weight, BMI, and body fat. However, the positive aspect is that you can easily export your data to various other apps and platforms. Number 2. Yuy Smart Scale 3. The Yuy Smart Scale 3 is an excellent choice for individuals looking to kickstart their health and weight management journey. This scale, backed by Xiaomi, covers the fundamental health measurements effectively. With the Yuy Smart Scale 3, you can obtain 13 measurements, including weight, BMI, body fat percentage, skeletal muscle mass, water, protein, visceral fat index, bone mass, BMR, biological age, fat weight, body fat mass index, and fat-free mass. It's a comprehensive solution for those focused on weight loss and overall health, though it lacks heart health measurements. The scale displays your weight and body fat percentage directly, while other measurements are transmitted to the accompanying app via Bluetooth. The app is user-friendly, allowing you to set body weight goals and providing a less intimidating evaluation system with red and green zones. Number 3. Yuy Smart Scale P2 Pro. The Yuy P2 Pro stands out as a versatile smart scale, offering a wide range of 16 body measurements. It provides essential metrics such as weight, body fat mass, visceral fat, subcutaneous fat percentage, bone mass, skeletal muscle mass, protein percentage, water content, body mass index, BMI, and heart rate. Additionally, the scale calculates your body age and basal metabolic rate, BMR, which indicates the number of calories you burn in a day before engaging in exercise. On the scale's 2.9-inch monochrome screen, you'll see your weight, heart rate, and fat content. The Yuy app complements the scale, presenting the remaining measurement data through a customizable figurine representation based on your measurements. Number 4. Yscalex. The budget-friendly Yuy scale offers an impressive array of 13 measurements, encompassing fundamental metrics like weight and body fat percentage, and extending to heart rate, an uncommon feature in lower-price scales. Notably, it derives your heart rate by utilizing your smartphone's camera lens, rather than solely through scale contact. One of its strengths is its ability to calculate your basal metabolic rate, providing insights into the daily calorie intake required to maintain, lose, or gain weight. This feature is particularly beneficial for those focusing on dietary management. However, the Yuy app's presentation is relatively basic in comparison to some competitors like Withings. The app lacks extensive guidance on interpreting results or nutritional and exercise recommendations for improving health. It provides the data but doesn't offer as much context or guidance. Number 5. Withings Body Comp. The Withings Body Comp, while considered a mid-priced option within Withings' latest scale range, is relatively expensive compared to other brands. Nonetheless, it offers an extensive range of measurements, surpassing most other scales available on the market, except for the Withings Body Scan. This scale provides a wealth of information, including data on weight, muscle and fat percentages, bone mass, lean and water mass, visceral fat index, and BMI, body mass index. Notably, it excels in heart health metrics, with measurements for heart rate, vascular age, and a pulse wave velocity reading that assesses arterial stiffness. Additionally, Withings introduces a nerve health score, which is determined through sweat gland measurements on your feet. This feature can be particularly valuable for individuals, including those with diabetes, seeking insights into nerve health. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.